federal government is waiting to hand you a piece of its $600 billion budget, but only if you know how to claim it. The question is, do you want in? If you're still sitting on a business idea or wondering how to transition from the private sector into government contracting in 2025, this is your year to make it happen. The opportunities are endless, but you need to know the right strategy to secure your first multi-million-dollar contract, Jules. Now, listen up. In this video, we'll discuss how to start a for-profit business with the federal government. Why? Because what I'm about to break down is exactly how you can position yourself and land your first federal government contract. If you're serious about making money, building a long-term business, and leveraging government contracts, stay with me until the end of the video. Watch it to the end. Stop procrastinating. The federal government is actively looking for small businesses like yours to award multi-million-dollar contracts to you. This is your chance to 1, expand your profit margins, secure government funding, turn your business into a long-term big revenue generating powerhouse. Let's learn how to write winning proposals and much more, Jules. Why federal government contracting in 2025? Being a federal government contractor myself, it comes with challenges, but the rewards outweigh them all. If I were you in 2025, I'd expand my business into the federal government space right now. Here's why. The government spends over trillions of dollars annually on contracts. They need small businesses. There are set asides specifically for minorities like you and I, minority-owned businesses, MBEs, women-owned small businesses like me and you, and 8A certified businesses. Government contracts create long-term income and financial stability. If you're wondering, where do I even start? It all begins with choosing a business idea, your niche to sell to the federal government. But before you move forward, you must understand the language of the federal government. This is crucial. That's why I'm linking my FAR Federal Acquisition Regulation video in the description above. Watch that video fully to the end as well. Understand how to write a winning proposal that sets you apart from your competitors is another biggie. If you aren't familiar with writing your own proposal, let me know. I can recommend someone to help you, or I can provide my one-on-one mentorship. So how to start a for-profit government business in 2025? The first step to success is choosing your business model. You can structure your company as, I'm not a CPA, as an independent contractor, a LLC, S Corp, C Corp, or sole proprietor, right? Once your business structure is in place, established, your focus should be on selling your goods or services to the government. Your pricing must align with their budget, and you must position yourself as the best solution to the problem. Now, let's talk about what types of businesses the federal government buys from. Everything. So the most profitable service-based businesses in government contracting, there are many. Are you already running a successful business in the private sector? You may be sitting on a gold mine. Without realizing that the federal government is already buying what you sell. Here are some of the most profitable service-based businesses in government contracting. It's my opinion. Staff-Augmentation, a staffing company, right? Number 2, health information management and medical coding. That's me. Healthcare IT, me again. Number 4, cloud computing. 5, performing energy efficiency audits. And 6, data analytics and national security services. You see, these industries are highly profitable in the federal space. Many more, like I said, but we won't go there. But what if you're in construction? I am. That's another multi-billion-dollar opportunity, guys. Government construction contracts are a gold mine. If you're in construction management, electrical contracts, so roofing, or even carpet cleaning, you can secure lucrative government contracts. Even training programs are highly profitable. The federal government is in the business of relationships. And once you become a trusted contractor, guys, they'll continue to award you contract after contract after contract. So the truth about DOGE and government layoffs in 2025, don't be scared. You've probably heard about DOGE's budget cuts, layoffs, and federal employment terminations. It's pretty sickening. Here's why you shouldn't worry. When federal employees lose jobs, small businesses win. We can hire those same employees and use their expertise to grow our companies, okay? Government agencies will never, ever shut down completely. The U.S. runs on contracts, and they still need goods and services and products. So don't fear DOGE. They're a joke. Stay focused on positioning your business for success. Your target customer. Do you know who they are? Who do you sell to? Who do you want to sell to? In the private sector, your customers might be like Home Depot, Lowe's, or hospitals. In government contracting, your customer is the federal government. There are hundreds of government agencies, but the key is to identify your favorite customer. The agency that buys what you sell. I got choked up there, guys. Here are two of my personal favorites. 1, Department of Veterans Affairs. 2, Department of Defense, DOD, for an example. They love working with AA and woman-owned small businesses, WOSB. So they frequently use lowest price, technically acceptable LPTA contracts, meaning they prioritize cost savings over past performance. This is a huge opportunity for new businesses to break into the market. They're all about price and saving. Winning government contracts, okay? Here's your path to millions. If you want to start winning 6- and 7-figure government contracts, you need to, 1, understand the Federal Acquisition Regulation, FAR. 2, know how to price your proposals competitively. 3, align your business with government agency missions. I'm so geek, guys. 4, leverage set-asides for small and minority-owned businesses. 5, get registered on SAM.GOV. More on this in another video. The process can feel overwhelming at first, but let me tell you something. Once you land your first contract and your performance aligns with the scope of work, the contract, the federal government will become your bestie. Go bestie, go bestie, like best friends. Okay, Jules? Why 2025 is the best time to start your business? Well, the federal fiscal year runs from October 1st to September 30th. But let me tell you a secret. The second, third, and fourth quarters are where the money flows the most. Money, money, money. Let me just slow down. Second quarter is January through March. Agencies begin accessing budgets. Third quarter, April through June. Spending increases like significantly. Fourth quarter, July through September 30th, the government rushes to spend the rest of their budgets before the fiscal year end. They'll get penalized if they don't. Right now, we're in the second quarter of FY 2025, which means you need to start positioning yourself, your business now before the spending frenzy really kicks in, okay? How to position yourself for success. Get familiar with SAM.GOV. The federal government buys everything through SAM.GOV and GSA. We'll talk about that another time. This is where all contract opportunities are posted. If you're not registered, you don't exist in the system. I'll be breaking down how to navigate SAM.GOV in an upcoming video. Know your favorite customer. Just like in the private sector, you must identify your ideal government customer. Are you in IT? The Department of Health and Human Services may be your best bet. Are you in construction? The Department of Defense or Department of Transportation might be another targeted customer. Understand government contracting lingo. The federal government has its own language, and if you don't speak it, you won't win contracts. Watch again, I'm reiterating my FAR and the importance of government acronyms, okay? I can't just communicate this more effectively in the federal space. Know it, learn it. Certifications give you an edge if you're a woman-owned, minority-owned, veteran-owned, hub-zone, or small business. If you qualify for these set-aside contracts, which means less competition and faster contract awards. Get my drift? So if you're WOSB, go learn those acronyms. I'm not going to keep repeating this. If you're MBE, if you're certified as a minority business enterprise, 8A small disadvantaged business, service disabled veteran-owned business, veteran-owned small business, right? If you have these certifications, I need you to do your homework and go look at my videos. The government can be very intimidating at first, but listen, once you land your first six-figure contract and you perform well, the federal government will keep coming back more. They want to work with you. They want to work with reliable businesses. So what is your job? Show them that your business is really thriving, guys. Show them that your past performance is there and they want to keep continually to award you over and over again, right? Your job, what is it? Show them that you are that business. Okay, I'm going live. Tell me when you're available. I want to go live and answer all your questions about federal government contracting, relationships, and I'm just teasing. We're besties, okay? Proposal writing and scaling your business, but I need your help. I'll be scheduling a live Q&A sessions based on your feedback, so let me know when you're available. Drop a comment below, Jules, with any and all questions. Where you're watching from, your time zone, what days and times work best for you. I'm catering to you. And Jules, I'm not here to sell you boot camps. I am the boot camp, period. I will walk you through every step by step if you're ready to, one, start a government contracting business, right? Expand your private sector knowledge, expertise, business into the federal space. Learn the secrets of 6 and 7 figure dollar contract awards. This is your year to win. Watch my intro video above on how I became a multi-millionaire in 2 businesses in federal government contracting with mentorship from Bill Black. Read his pinned comment. So you need patience, dedication, the wheelhouse to propel in 2025, okay? So yeah, in life, some things come easy, sometimes they don't. I have won a lot of contracts that did not require much work because my reputation in the federal government system, my favorite customers, they know me, past performance, contract administration, and the list goes on and on and on, okay? So, I'll see you in the comments, Jules, and let's get this federal money. Bye.